you got marshmallows this week?
Yeah, I got some hot dogs. I'd like to see if they have anything left in the galley where South is. It's an expensive yacht there, they've got some great.
They're gonna upgrade your queen tonight.
You wonder if there's a steel plated anchor in your jigger?
Yeah, I've been trying to get a hold of them.
Vessel out here?
We are now.
You don't think we can put it out, huh? Think we can save it? If we save it, do we get to keep it?
Sure. Get the flare gun and see how much other dudes. Something to shoot. You're practice.
What's in the water right there? Is it a Cuisinart? Oh, we are closer, that's why. I'm like, wow, it seems like we're a lot closer. Hello. What kind of boat is it? I mean, as far as what did it do? What was it? A yacht.
It's private yacht.
Private yacht. Somebody's yacht. Probably the captain and a crew member taking it somewhere. And these owners are gonna be bombed.
All over the place.
I hope they have good insurance. No doubt. Here's awfully calm. This is okay. Now I'm back further. This is how close we are. See, our bow and the boat all at the same time.
Did I read the word? It's probably heavy, isn't it? I picked it up and put it somewhere.